iPhone case company. We sell one-of-a-kind products that are truly unique. We sell an iPhone case that changes colors according to your mood. As your mood changes, the case changes colors also. This is an iPhone case only. It can also be bought as a gel case or a hard case.
Our product is a combination of a mood ring and an iPhone case. It provides the user with something they know will protect their phone. Our product is one of a kind because it's the only case that can change colors every time you touch it, and you don't have to pay a lot of money to protect your phone.
With phones being so expensive these days, when you want to protect it, well, this is what the iMoody case will do, while offering a unique capability. We expect to sell our iPhone case to the large, expanding market of everyone that owns an iPhone around internationally as well as in America. So, we expect to sell our cases in stores such as FYE, Walmart, and Best Buy. We will sell it at $9.99, which is a fair price for such a good quality case.
Our competition is other iPhone case makers. However, no one else makes an iPhone case with the same features as iMoody. There are many companies that manufacture iPhone cases, and we are ready to come into the market and sell our products our competitors have never seen before.
We all work for this company and to ensure the happiness of our customers. We all have dedicated many vigorous hours of work, and we are all proud of this case that we made. I'm Austin Andrade.
I'm Jordan Papiano.
I'm Andrew Tomasetti.
I'm Josh DiOrio.
And I'm Tara Waters.
And we are all the creators of the iMoody case.